following up on the declaration that it will assemble 350 more GTs. Ford uncovered another form of its supercar that will be accessible to clients. It's the 2019 Ford GT Carbon Series, and it's the lightest rendition of this GT demonstrate. Outwardly, it's conspicuous by its dark paint and the standard uncovered carbon fiber stripe down the center, which grandstands the consummately considered carbon weave either side of the auto. This stripe can be highlighted with a differentiating shading stripe down the center, alongside mirror tops a similar shading. The inflection shading decisions are limited to silver, orange, red and blue. Inside, upholstered parts get one-of-a-kind silver sewing, and matte carbon fiber is utilized for the air vent units, side ledges and focus reassure. While the visual redesigns are decent, the genuine interest of the Carbon series is that it's the lightest current GT. Add up to weight reduction is 39 pounds. This is on the grounds that it incorporates as standard the discretionary carbon fiber wheels, titanium tubes and titanium fasteners. It likewise gets a remarkable back incubate with lighter glass and extra ventilation. We presume that Ford could have shaved off a couple of more pounds on the off chance that it expelled the atmosphere controller radio, yet Ford said that GT purchasers would not like to forfeit those highlights.